Here, I'm doing a follow-up video to this video that I did a while back about updating your Yahoo stock prices automatically in Excel using a get data interface in Excel. So today, what I want to show you is something a little bit different. If you're having trouble, if you're still getting an error, if the 503 fix still didn't work, there's one more thing we can try. If you're a glutton for punishment, like me, or you just want to really try to get the stock data from Yahoo Finance into Excel, this is another option, and it's called using the web data import legacy version. So let me open up Excel and show you how to do this. It's actually not hard, but it is a little bit, I'll just say cumbersome to get it up and running. So I'm going to do a blank workbook. Normally what we do is we use a Get Data wizard. So you go to your Data tab, and then we typically click on this one here, Get Data from the web. And that's what I've got in my first video. I'll show exactly how to walk through that, how to use that link, and pull in your stock data. But for some reason, people are still having errors and it's not working. Mine is still working, but I've tried it for other people and it doesn't work. I get an error message. So let's take a look at this legacy one. First of all, how do we get the legacy to show up? Because right now, it's not showing. It just has from web, and that's all it shows up here on this bar. So what you want to do is go to File, go down to Options, go to Data, okay, and then you can take a look down here. It's got Show Legacy Data Import Wizards. And we are just going to, for this case, we're just going to add the Web Legacy tab. Click OK. Okay, and now when you go to Get Data, you're now going to see a shortcut for Legacy Wizards. And actually, before we go there, I wanted to show you again real quick what version that I'm using. I'm using Office Pro 2021. Okay, so now we're in Data. We're going to go Get Data, and we are going to do Legacy Wizards from the web. Okay, so here's where it gets a little bit crazy. Because it's a legacy wizard, it's using this old technology, you're going to get a lot of script errors. You can see this is just on the Microsoft standard web page, and you're going to get all these errors. They become really annoying. What I do is I just hit the stop button. If you can get through them, hit the stop button so it stops loading your web page. And then you want to get your link. And again, in my first video, I talk about this link, this secret link, yahoofinance.com/quotes. And then you want to have your stock symbols in the order that you want them, separated by commas. And then this view V1 as your link that you're trying to get your data from. Okay, we get through that. You're going to paste that into your address in your wizard. You're going to click Go. Okay, and here we go. We're going to get these script errors. You can hit no, you can hit yes. I'm not sure how many times we got to click through this. Like I said, eventually I just kind of hit stop. We can open up the window and see. You can see in here on the legacy window, on the legacy wizard, it gives you these little yellow boxes to click. So you can click on this box to get the whole page, or you can go down here and click on this box to just get the stocks that we just put in our special link. Next we click on Import into the worksheet. Now at this point we're just going to try it. I don't have anything else special set up. In fact, this is a brand new version of Office on a different computer than what I've used in the past. So let's see if this works. Okay, getting data. That's a good sign. Bam, okay. Now we do have all the data pulled down. For some reason, it did put some of the data on the next row beneath the symbol, but we've got Microsoft, Starbucks, and Apple. We've got looks like we've got the price here. the change in dollar amount, percentage change. We've got a blank column here for one-day chart. Makes sense. That's currency, that's market time, volume, cap, and your day range and weekly range. Okay, this one underneath, it appears to be the change and the percent change on a separate line. So it works. You don't have to use the agent string that we had. Remember, we had a user agent in the other one to fix the 503 errors. And this technique seems to work. You just got to get through all those initial errors as you're importing the data. It's a little bit frustrating. But then you can manipulate this in another tab like we did in the other one and update your stock portfolio accordingly. So just another option. Had a couple people ask me about it. So I appreciate you watching.